Hi guys, I'm Ian Slater. I'm the project lead on the rebuild of Hawker Typhoon JP843 here at Typhoon Legacy Company. We've been quiet for the last little bit. I think it was maybe around June, probably towards the end of June, when we had our last Facebook post even. So there really hasn't been a lot of information that we've released. So I wanted to update you to make sure that you know that we're still kicking, things are still progressing. In fact, they're progressing really well right now. So one of the things that we're doing, and one of the reasons I haven't posted a lot, is because we're working on a video blog. It'll give you information that'll bring you up to date on some of the things that we've done, like the history of how this whole project came to be, some of the fixtures that we've built up to date, the design process, special projects, and day-to-day activities. It's going to be a little while yet, so please stick with us. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you guys are looking forward to it, and I can't wait to launch this thing.